Welcome back, Knowledge Seekers. Today we are bursting with excitement to introduce you to our second video in the series called Scientific Miracles in the Quran, where we discover our universe, world, mountains, oceans, biology, embryology, and many others through the evidence and guide of the Quran. In this video, we would like to take a look into the verses of the Quran where the fecundating role of the wind and every stage of rain formation was explained in the Quran way before scientists were able to discover it. On the surface of oceans and seas, a large number of air bubbles form because of the water foaming action. The moment these bubbles burst, thousands of tiny particles are thrown up into the air. These particles are known as aerosols, are carried from the land by the wind and again carried to higher altitudes by winds in order to contact with water vapor up there. Water vapor condenses around these particles and turns into water droplets. This is how winds fecundate the water drop vapor floating in the air with the particles they carry from the sea and help the formation of rain clouds. Until the beginning of the 20th century, the only relationship known between the wind and the rain was that it was the wind that drove the clouds. Modern meteorological findings have only been able to demonstrate the fecundating role of the wind in the formation of rain. However, in the Quran, Surah of Hijr, Allah Almighty declares this fact 14 centuries ago, stating that, "We send the fecundating winds, then cause water to descend from the sky, therewith providing you with water in abundance." This verse of the Quran clearly points out the first stage in the formation of rain is wind and demonstrates this fact the way before modern meteorological findings. After we realize this point of view, now we would like to focus on the Quran verses which explain the rain formation stage by stage. In Surah of Nur, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala declares that, "Have you not seen how Allah drives along the clouds, then joins them together, then makes them into a stack, and then you see the rain come out of it? And he sends down from the sky mountains, masses of clouds, with hail in them, striking it with anyone he wills, and averting it from anyone he wills. The brightness of his lightning almost blinds the sight." The scientific discoveries prove that the rain clouds are formed and shaped according to definite systems and stages as exactly defined in the Quran verses. Let's take a closer look and see. In the first stage, the Quran states that clouds are being driven along, which means literally that clouds are carried along by the wind. In the second stage, the Quran states that Allah joins them together, which means the small clouds driven along by the wind joining together, forming a larger cloud. The Quran represents the final stage as stacking, where the small clouds join together, updrafts within the larger clouds increase. These updrafts cause the cloud body to grow vertically, so the cloud is stacked up. This vertical growth causes the cloud body to stretch in the cooler regions of the atmosphere where the drops of water and hail formulate and begin to grow larger and larger. When these drops of water become too heavy for the updraft to support them, they begin to fall from the cloud as rain. We must remember that meteorologists have only recently come to know these details about cloud formation, structure, and function by using advanced equipment like planes, satellites, and computers. Now, the ball is in your court. How does a human being discover the formation of rain, scientific fact alone, at a time when the study of meteorology was non-existent? You're right, it is not possible in any way. Therefore, there is only one possible explanation, and that is that the divine book of the Quran is the word of Allah and Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was his messenger. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the videos we make, please don't forget to obliterate the like button, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and most importantly, comment down below to help us make better content. Also, follow our Instagram, SE Visionaries. Link is in the description below.